the top four will nearly be sealed after today, I would think, Brad. But kick off, away we go.
Here we go. Burleigh Bears get the ball first. Running up straight. On to Samuel. Samuel's tackled 10 metres out. And he's through. Oh,
Jeez,
looks like he's coughed it up.
No, he hasn't. He's going to give it.
He's planted it. On to Witten. He's tackled 25 out. Middle of the field. Nice little dribble behind, looking for their winger.
Oh, my God. That's a good try.
He's
That's a great rugby league try.
Which I think has contributed to this kicking off.
Brad, it's been bubbling. I'm not surprised. You don't
Guy Hamilton
condone it, but
gets
not
successful.
The poor bugger. That's how he cheered too when he did it.
Here we go.
Try time.
Try.
Oh, my
He's
God.
In. That looked like he's in.
It is. It's a try, but geez.
Sean Anderson. Inside step there by Luke Burton to avoid the jamming tackle. Guy Hamilton's slot the field goal.
They were very impressive. I dare say, I'll stick the neck out again. I said, I reckon they've sealed the minor premiership there today.